Galaxy S25 Ultra Review, a luxurious and enjoyable Android experience introduction. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is Samsung's newest flagship smartphone, recognized for being the most expensive and luxurious model compared to the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. This phone offers advanced features that enhance the Android experience. Key points. Design. The design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra shows slight changes from the Galaxy S24 Ultra, particularly with its subtly curved corners. It has a 6.9-inch display that feels comfortable and is lighter than before, with a durable titanium frame and Corning Gorilla armor to protection. The screen's anti-reflective coating improves visibility. The layout includes a minimalist backwidth for cameras, screen and software, featuring a 120Hz refresh rate and 6.9-inch ATTO Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. The phone's resolution enhances clarity and performance in bright sunlight. It operates on the Android 15 system with One UI 7, providing long-term software support for 7 years. Hardware. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, delivering excellent performance through various benchmarks. It includes enhanced cooling features and maintains a long-lasting 5000 mAh battery. AI features. Samsung has integrated several AI capabilities, including voice commands through Gemini, which acts as a personal AI assistant. Features like Cross-App Action and Gemini Live allow for engaging interactions and document summarization. Camera. The camera setup includes a 200MP main lens, multiple telephoto options, and a highly efficient ultra-wide camera. It performs well in various lighting conditions and offers impressive zoom capabilities, allowing for high-quality images and advanced video recording options. Conclusion. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most impressive Android devices available today, seamlessly combining superior technology and components to justify its premium price, exceeding $1,000.